We no longer eat at KFC's since I cook wings with cola. Cut the chicken wings into pieces. In the bowl with the wings, add baking soda. Pour in water and leave for 15 minutes. Melt the butter in the pan with vegetable oil. Put the chicken wings in the pan. Fry a little and turn to the other side. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix well so that they brown nicely on all sides. In the bowl with soy sauce, add honey, mustard, ketchup, salt, black pepper. Mix the sauce until smooth. Pour into the pan and mix well so that the glaze covers all the chicken wings. Add Coca Cola and mix gently. Simmer covered for 20 minutes. Cut unpeeled potatoes into pieces lengthwise. Put the potatoes in the bowl. Season with salt and mix. Pour hot water over the potatoes. Leave for 15 minutes. Remove the potatoes onto paper towels. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle the potatoes with finely chopped rosemary. Mix a little. Put parmesan and breadcrumbs on a plate. Add sweet paprika and garlic powder. Mix well. Put into the bowl with the potatoes and mix well. Arrange the potatoes on the baking tray and bake for 30 minutes. Put cottage cheese into the blender cup. Add sour cream, olive oil, dried parsley, garlic powder, salt, black pepper. Blend the sauce until smooth. From now on, I cook the wings only at home, especially since I have this special recipe. The taste and the glazed crust are incomparable to store-bought fast food wings.